Shamobi Biajo Akwaba Eba FPNTV official. You streaming live on YouTube. Uko Facebook also FPNTV official. A brother you say yadi agukansie mu NSEM ebrao ene enumre. Say enra yade part 1 ebai. And that's also the part 2 of hidden secrets about GFA, Ghana Football Association. Saying your national teams will equal tournaments are almost performing. Your stadiums I would do I or my saying that you see handle no. When any man me brain, I ever do home come on and every ever the sports show. And also Congress ebaso. After the Congress, in some me brain na akoso. And then you be do and come on. So subscribing to our channel now. Uko YouTube, Facebook. Now I type FPNTV official. O like my now we ja comment wo. We are sharing afufro so enya ye programs ni bi enhwe. Nyame nchaade ye YouTube no so aye ye active bibia ekoso. Aha, it is Facebook na behwe ya ubenya yen. YouTube so ubenya yen. Me did Jumedi Uchami, your friend Oppong Boateng. Ye shall see an air shot, ye shank every GFA, the Ghana Football Association, GFA. Now, Enra Congress, then etimi baso, every year, biano, GFA, the Football Association or Ghana Football Association. Etina se ekwadwendwen ye football no ho said ye ekọ ensakraya ye beye wom changes e rebebem na enra on the 13th of August 2025 the 31st Congress eba so ewo pram na Congress ni mu no ara GFA ede nsem mebre ere atudwa na ebia odi tuja Ghana for ekasa wo hu yie pa eye the third term odi ura GFA ni anka GFA no terms omu yusu eye 2 terms obeko first 4 years and the second 4 years now ye 2 terms after the 2 terms no untimi contested as a GFA president na enumu anaket I say for the past years, obetina so ni 6th year mu ana owoyi. Ohwa 8 years no enso omo as hot president. Enti oyeren oni ni mpanifuo ene football administrators ekoka bom. Ahwe so omo de another term, 1 term ebeka 2 terms no a. Enumu na enra Congress eko so no. Say omagiatum football administrators, football owners, club owners, the ministry GFA omaje the third term agenda atum na omuji tum wie na ehun nsem mebre aba na penny baako a the year 2001-2005 no ye GFA president ye ka president na wabedi bi pen a ye friend Dr. Nyahutamaklo na Dr. Nyahutamaklo so e de nsem atudwa after the congress na enumu na Nyahutamaklo Dr. Eka say hey GFA tetem ni de onji entumu kura onu omu enya adwen na de tia onji entumu ni say omu pe kwan bia so ehwie sika abokron no enti ana ket ene ne nkrofo akoje the third term agenda atum na ono no pa de anka ono no dia ono ye football administrator SI politician ni de o ene ni hu kwan se anka the third term no football administrators club owners any football people no eje sa third term agenda no tum yebusa no ye ni di komune se dog football no wa ye bi da so wom afa president GFA president akonya no wa be di bi pen the term no 2 terms ne na eya na se enye ana dog e ka kire ye say 2 terms ne de na eye upese uye obi bia ubetimi de wie that 2 terms which is 8 years by onim de ntia ket ne nkrofo aya amayaje the third term agenda atum so ohwe so a third term no ebeka ho a yaje atum a ye be implement it. It means every GFA president bia obeba bia no ube serve 12 years in your administration eno ana ex GFA president Dr. Nyahutamaklo ese onye den onje entum ya twaso a ne ye kwa the GFA Ghana Football Association BM ehwani yedina the Ministry of Youth and Sports Jordano Honorable Kofi Adams ana afa so the MTN Ghana na ene dwumadie soronko bi ekoso ana MTN Ghana and the GFA headed by Ket Okreku, the sports ministry headed by Honorable Kofi Adams amunya akobenkrom ama MTN ebe the official headline sponsor edmad your national teams. It is say your national teams no ebe ko akobo major tournament. The African Cup of Nations qualifies, African Cup of Nations proper, World Cup qualifies, World Cup. MTN Ghana assigned 2-year deal sponsorship at the GFA say our major national teams, which is the Black Stars, the Black Princesses, the Black Queens, the Black Satellites, omo ko tournament biana omo ebe sponsor omo eba ya no GFA so ada MTN for ase say sponsorship na omo pe no omo enya ediama our national teams because ukuta sponsorship na emrantia ne emema awa no eyire omo abobo ni yie ediamo omo man enti MTN Ghana any the GFA akɔ benkrom say 2 years here da anim almost sponsor your national teams no the Black Stars of Ghana, the Black Queens of Ghana, Black Princesses, Black Meteors, and Black Satellites. Uguswa Eshe FPNTV official. Our YouTube and Facebook. FPNTV official. Mr. Say any day di kanya na wa subscribe amaye. O subscribe ya, like it, comment it, na share na afoforo so enye bi enhwe. Yada so a the GFA Ghana Football Association. I'm saying no, me can me brave for Congress no ho. And also sponsorship deal our money Adisa production enya. Na Congress ni muna the GFA President Kurt Okreku Eddie to just say for the past years how many referees na edi juma na yeba Ghana Premier League ni mu a referees are omudi matches our Ghana Premier League ni mu no eduru mre a eche se ye de ye to o maketuem enkane no past years no na referee we a FIFA referee a oje 1000 Ghana cedis na we a CAF referee a na waje 800 cedis yeah 800 Ghana na Congress ni mu no eba ye no GFA President Kurt Okreku e dey atu just say no every referee bia obe officiate every match our Ghana Premier League ni mu no we a FIFA referee a oje 2500 and Canadian na oje 1000 say we increasing no so we a FIFA referee we officiate match our Ghana Premier League ni mu a obeje 2500 after so we a referee we a CAF license official udi juma ema CAF oje 2000 after so referee bia ebenya jerseys 3 3 jerseys na referees bia ebenya after uti TNT transportation a odibekwa venues akodi match akwa officiate every match bia no say over STC bus dia 50% omofa sasika no 50% GFA for no ene befa na the 50 aka no so why den wafa we ena ye ne referees for ni bia den retired referees ene referees are omudi omo officiate ye Ghana Premier League ni edin komo na me break as asem we dey asempa edima the Ghana Referee Association because over the years no omo sika asem no enko said omo pe no na say no Congress ni mu no president eda to just say obetua omo 2500 there ni gie about the sana those corruption football corruption no to obeden ebetwa and referees no be ka say a good idea a good policy ket ediaba na emom so obedi so dia enene asem no because omo referees no are eager to officiate every game in the Ghana Premier League enti ebeye omo pe say yen start the league no na omo arrest anase eka GFA no ede omo no omo atwatwa ni nya ansa no ma yeden omo start the new Premier League because by say ye be end Premier League no na GFA ni the referees ni more eka into omo sore say when munya den omo ko officiate any game ewo Ghana Premier League ni ba am say enkomo a ekoso ompanifo etena ase no omo yedem omo ti ase eko officiating enti we asem da the Ghana Football Association headed by Kurt Okreku editu ja ewo the 31st Congress ekọ so enra nase. Ye moving on now me moving on to our last story of the day. MCR pacho so betimi abo video bi a me de ma ema kasamafo the Okasama GFA Henry Asante Twum obetimi abo audio na mame a ye wi a ni abedi ho nkomo
in their wisdom, the GFA in their senses. Now today people run away from the pressures of Accra and they go to the outskirts just to go and cool off, just to go and have fun, and then they come back into Accra on Mondays. No, it didn't occur to these FA people to use that money which was coming from FIFA, to build a 3-star hotel, a 4-star hotel in Pram Pram, a story building in Pram Pram, and you have your library, and you have your museum. Yesterday, I used a picture of Otofista and Abedipele on my WhatsApp platform, on my WhatsApp as a image, DP, and people were calling for the picture. We don't even have a museum. This country, we don't even have a sports museum. We don't even know our history. We don't even know our history. Azuma Nelson launched a book. Where is the book? I went to the sports ministry last week to see the honorable minister, and I went there and I saw a book written by Dr. Emmanuel Uswansa, and I asked the gentleman holding the book, where can I have some of these books to buy? Because a lot of people don't even know the history of Ghana sports. People don't know the history of Ghana football. Even the FA, where is your library? GFA Secretariat, where is your library? Where are the pictures of Agrifin? Where are the pictures of CK Janfi? Where are the pictures of Kukudazi? I spoke to an Egyptian journalist who told me that he saw Kukudazi when he was playing for the Black Stars, and he's one of the finest defenders ever to be produced on this continent. I don't know. Where are the images? Where are the pictures? Where is the museum? Who is telling the story? Where can I get the history of Ghana sports? Where can I have it? It is the reason why because we don't keep records, because we don't have an identity. It is the reason why the president of Ghana will say, well, Ghana sports is not it's not dead. It's not dead. Oh, Ghana football, the other day I was having an argument. No, His Excellency must not have an argument with people. His Excellency must have what? Evidence to show. His Excellency must have evidence.
The Kasamafo Edema, the GFA, Ghana Football Association. Papa ya ote the voice, uti ni audio ni video share. Ono ena Kasamafo Edema Ghana Football Association. Kasa ya uti way back past years na onyambe ye Kasamafo Edema GFA. That I'm not a centuroni, and I know all basi the previous government or previous administration. Henry Asante Twum. So utie voice ni ya wabasi the GFA president, the past administration. Every time biana or your program on the show or the station no obashe the GFA president and the football association program biano obeye biano no okasetia the administration of Ghana Football Association na me de ye pass video e yetimi save eto ho mami ka se mi kire Henry Asante Twum. Henry, with all due respect, why a centroni da? Na uye en centroni na ye ka omo kasama sports na the sports fraternity na uye very powerful. Na ukasa ye pa edema the sports journalist. Hwɛ sɛdeɛ Kwesi Nyantakyi abrɛ so utimi ɛsepa no utimi ka ne ho nsɛm utimi ɛyɛ nneɛma a na wo to you no ufiri sɛ ɛno ɛna bɛma Ghana football football ɛde akɔ n'anim. Nsɛm a okafa administration ho, nsɛm a okafa Kwesi Nyantakyi ho, nsɛm a okafa the Ghana Football Association, nsɛm a okafa our senior teams. Sɛ yɛde bi di wa ujina eka different thing. Also, what goes around comes around. Now we don't say who can who bash the GFA, who bash the administration. Now for when you free. For so many years, Yako Congress media men media people accreditation na media people. Now say modema Henry Asante Twum, Kasama former the GFA Association, Ghana Football Association, Kasama for Henry Asante Twum. So many years, the past administration headed by Kwesi Nyantakyi. Now we are advocates. Now we kasa din. You can't inform we are powerful in sports journalists. And we kasa ye. Ewo Kwesi Nyantakyi abraswa. Na ye wo Henry Asante Twum. Say a war esogu wenum no. Who beka different thing. A war esogu wenum no. Say what divert eka different thing. Dia be na yanti ewo ho. Ensem be na wan ka amfa Ghana football. Ensem be na wan ka amfa our national teams. Ensem be na wan ka amfa officiating. Ensem be na wan ka amfa Kwesi Nyantakyi ho. And that dia wo be ye kasama for the ma GFA ni die. Mumu die na ye papa. Mumu die na ye pepepe. Yesterday I was very sad. Na ye me ye papa. Say a whole congress ekoso na media people, media personnel. Ya catch omu say dia omunya access to the hall, omunya access to the auditorium. A whole congress ekoso yama media people accreditation na afei yabeka said you cannot get access to the auditorium. Dabe ne ye share sa neme o yase Henry Asante Twum dabe ene ye share sa neme o yase dia eyeme hi esa eyeme tai ewo Henry Asante Twum ne interview oye after the congress. And all because actual media or say na ayema na you say and central for me brave abaya omuntimi en contain omo ewo what ultra and central for ya muntimi en contain mu ewo previous congress near are they not the same in central for omo previous weka ho a yaye baku 30 times. All these 30 times congress na omoye no central for anyone. Central for no central for ewo ho. Enti be die enti na je say Henry ubeka sa de e kire central for say na omunti e je say obepe asem papa bi e ka kire central for because ensema o kan ewo interview mu de and send fata as a PRO or as a kasama for Edma GFA. www. Because u video way prove say what can some me pray after the GFA and Ghana football say and now also be tina akonya kese we so dia dey tell you say u divert e kan no u ka ensama the pressure the ma GFA for na say no wo betena so dia who ka different thing ma susu sa free Henry wo because as a PRO there I just say ka ensema the media people the sports people we be there ebeti ase na mo ye congress ni wi a we be granting interview say na auditorium ho eswa enti na amanye ne omo prevent sports journalist hwe no obi amba ho asem we yeka you decided say no this 31st congress there we are not allowing media men into the auditorium mu decision am where mo tena as planning kind because say yeah the bebo our national teams who dey euro yeah the beka safa our sports administration yeah the beka safa Ghana football who dia na eni hu kwan say musi e kwan say yeah be take coverage eni hu kwan say musi e kwan next month yeah 4th and 7th September the Black Stars of Ghana ejina kono qualifies to the World Cup. More chance ye media people ye ba beden ye be promo ye be ka ho asem ama enkrofo ye de aba be hwe na se mo pese ye de ye promo e ka ho asem ma enkrofo be hwe a de nti na mo prevent ye se twene ya mo auditorium yo ama ye den ama take coverage se time no so a na PRO me kasa kire time no so a only the GFA people mo got na our stadium na mo am some matches mun promote to me matches mun be FM and TV station e wo mo am auditorium ho na mo from promoting our national teams. This is very bad very bad say sports people sports administrators say mutimi kasa very bad the bank and a year congress yamfa media people anko this is the first time me who be say ya ko congress na yemfa media personnel say ya the media people be baba very bad enti Harry Asatie me ma onkra say the ultimi edi previous administration ultimi kasatia enema bia na NSEM fata no say so na wo so wo administration ye be kasa fa ho ade bia enya e wo mu administration no ye be kan wasem because ma bumane ego so say de mo be ya na mo be ye enti ye so ye be kan ama amanfo ayeden atse de mo ye very bad very very bad MCR my free no uguswa ehwe FPNTV official e YouTube ana FPNTV official e Facebook so who subscribe here me sure so be subscribe who subscribe here like it comment and share na foforo so enya bi nhwe Ghana football hu nkomo ana na yedi afeso ye kasa for congress e call so enra ewo pram afeso so ye kasa for the GFA after the congress and NSEM ayere odi tuja ema yetse ye kasa for referees for ho akatua a sese ye tum e de amomo from 1000 no omo move on to 2500 tiwe increase and omo increase omo salary se Ghana football ebe ye year e say you speaking out dia enye e was sports administration mu bia no e say ye kan ema atiefo ene ahwefo so e de ehum ye pay Ghana football ni year ye league ye premier league ye ball man ye pay ni year eniema NSEM fata a esi ye football ne kwan no e say ye yi ni nya efiri ho they say Ekamia say African Cup of Nations crown Black Stars ain't me and qualify enko 2025 African Cup ya boy December Black Stars ain't me and qualify enko dien ye beye ama ya back yet me back to said any yet me qualify each and every year be a tournament no ebeba so no we don't envy anybody ye hate obia the love bring back the love na Ket Okreku and in administration e kan ye no and no ye pese e da adie e wo Ghana football ebe de say ebe ko stadium na stadium aboma na obi a hwe ball de ama nani agye eni gye ebe ba krom omo ton amade ebe nya sika eni ma ba koso enti say ye pese ye ball ni yi a e kire say negative attitude towards the football no ye sensa sekura football and a can parties ebom uba yaman mu ase a your NDC your MPP your CPP your movement for change edru football ye nyia ye bako e can ye bom as one country one nation one state nti na just say yetoto your football na ase se bibi ekoso na enye ewo football nu mu a mesra just say wo pai mu na wo ka enkane no na ye coach football ene ye di yi enkurai eba under 17 under 20 under 23 and so no madu the Black Stars say ye coach football yi ekosen ye coach football say ewen and here for na ye Ghana football ye football no ekon den na ket ene ne nkrofo eya omunye ne yie dia ne emfa hyema ebe ma football na asa pega biem many bra abri nya the love of the football say ye bobo ball amma bibia ensi supporters ebe ko stadium akoji omani asa back to omo efie asundiem football owners football administrators sports journalists dia na moye yeah say humna say we are the football nation we are the Brazil in Africa we are the Brazil in Africa football nation say ewen say ninya eko ninya efedi our national teams ni eko major tournament omo timi perform here even qualifies kra hu ayedin e dia ma Ghana as a team say football ni be ye a me ne wo a na che say eden ye kasa fa hu Ghana Football Association munya bibi they say akonya mode nyama egusu akwem yehu ba enya anu anu no sponsorship aba yenya sponsorship deal ewa ye Premier League ni se bibia be koya eya mene wo and just say ye kasa ye voice out e kire the Ghana Football Association enyema bi enkoya enye obi o free outside ne beka eye sports people na ne beka then ye improving your football always be mitaika the senior teams our senior national teams, the Black Stars of Ghana, Black Meteors, the Black Queens, the Black Princesses, the Black Satellites. Dear Nia, ama love na first and kind to know, Yenyano, Esaba back. Dear Ben, ye be ye ama ye league in Aya Kono, ama supporters, Eden Ababeshe. Ekemeko say ye boy league krana na spectators ekwo agopromaso nya dia na ye ya form as football people emaye ni enhwe sika no nko a dia ben ene ye e dia boa the football fraternity Ministry of Youth and Sports headed by Honorable Kofi Adams Obaye wo de moa ene de opese wo ye bia e ma ye football no eba back no oh ye NSA National Sports Authority boss Honorable Yao Ofosu Ankra then enamone the GFA eye ye pe love on the back because football it unites us together. Ye bobo Ghana ejina kono eba ye hu se we NDC ni we MPP ni we CPP ni we movement for change. We are one as Ghanaians. And today ana ye football mo ya fa ho. As time goes on, Congress na e course no me de NSEM ebeba one by one. And na me the referees there no and two dwa. Echina Nyamiya Aduma club owners and someone omuka efa the 31st Congress a ekoso ebebua the third term agenda ebebua anase embua when NSEM mebra as time goes on yebedi ehun komo so won subscribe here anase enani edikan a enani ade edikan a ohwe ye channel here FPNTV official our YouTube FPNTV official our Facebook okoha na wa subscribe na wa like it o like here say programs na ekos no adwenkyere bi wo ha na wo de ayden wa comment fefefe e de amaye uwi a share na afoforo so enya bi nhwe midin de Oppong Boateng I say na yedibesi